Hey there, Lisa and I just watched the movie Nightbooks on Netflix. It's from 2021. It's 1 hour and 43 minutes long. It's a modern Hansel and Gretel tale with a magical and frightful twist. What'd you think of it, Lisa?
It was a good story. I didn't read the description before, so I was kind of had to figure it out as I went. It was enjoyable. It was a solid 3 for me. I wouldn't watch it again, even in the background probably, but it was a nice modern story on the Hansel and Gretel.
Yeah, I would say I would give it about a 3 as well. I thought that it was very interesting. It definitely was a new twist on the story. Certainly not a movie for young children.
Teenage to adult, I would say.
Yeah, because young children, I think that this could potentially give them nightmares.
Yeah.
But they did a really good job with it, though. I thought it was entertaining, so I would recommend watching it at least once.
It was a
Mysteries. Oh, go ahead.
TV PG. So PG was PG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's under the Mysteries Family Movies. I'll see if this is also on Amazon. If so, I'll put a link, or I'll pin a link. Let me know if you've seen Nightbooks, what your impression of it, what you thought of it was. But yeah, I thought it was a decent take on a classic story.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.